I'm not sure all caps work. There was a proposal that the Senate has voted on, I think 2 years in a row, that would have the state take over, if a school district decided that they wanted the state to take over all of their funding through income, they would have to commit, and it would be taken over a 5-year period of time, I think it was 20% a year. But they would have to agree that they wouldn't increase their spending, and there might have been a few places where they could, but not much. So that was a cap that I think is totally unrealistic. It doesn't relate to the fact that you would perhaps have more kids in the school, have greater needs, utility costs go up, and things like that. So, you know, it really depends on when you say, are you supportive of all caps? No, I'm not supportive of all caps, but I think this one is good. We have to remember, too, middle income star, which is interesting because I know the governor originally wanted that to go on the school tax, and it would relate to school tax. Now middle income star is still star, but it really has nothing to do with school tax. It has to do with, because we're giving people money to fund whatever tax they need. In fact, some people have an income that's so low that they're getting more money back from star, and they're not even paying school tax. So, you know, they're getting money back. You could say that they're then getting that money back to pay their local tax or their county tax or the solid waste tax or whatever. So I think we have to look at middle income star as not being a school thing anymore. Maybe it's going back to our whole local, all of our taxes that we spend locally, and that's why being on your income tax as a circuit breaker makes more sense, because it's about all your taxes together. It has nothing more to do with schools.